Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well and may have revised the previously learned topics. So now, our today's topic is landforms. The land on which we live varies in size, shape, and height. Some areas rise high to form hills and mountains, while others are low and flat for long stretches. There are three main kinds of landforms. 1. Mountains. Mountains are very high with steep slopes and little flat land. Important mountain ranges in India include the Himalayas, Aravalis, Vindhyas, and Satpura. In Telangana, districts like Adilabad, Nirmal, Jagitial, Vikarabad, Mahbubnagar, and others have hilly terrains. Key hills and ranges in Telangana: Satmala Range, Adilabad, Nirmal; Balaghat Range, Mahbubnagar, Nagarkarnool; Anantagiri Hills, Vikarabad; Kandikal Hills, Peddapalli, Jaishankar; Rakhi Hills, Jagitial. 2. Plateaus. Plateaus are highlands with flat lands and some hills. The Deccan Plateau is the largest plateau in India. It has steep western edges called the Western Ghats. The Telangana Plateau is part of the Deccan Plateau and slopes eastward. Upper Telangana Plateau lies in the west, with the Godavari and Krishna rivers flowing eastward. Lower Telangana Plateau slopes further east. Major towns on Upper Telangana Plateau: Hyderabad, Sikandarabad, Sangareddy, Mahbubnagar, Nalgonda. Major towns on Lower Telangana Plateau: Warangal, Karimnagar. 3. Plains. Plains are level lands with gentle slopes, formed by silt deposition from rivers. Examples of important plains: Punjab Plains formed by the Indus River and tributaries. Gangetic Plains formed by the Ganga River in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and Bengal. Coastal Plains. Eastern coastal plains, along the Bay of Bengal, covering Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and West Bengal. Western coastal plains, on the western side of India. Delta formation. Rivers like Godavari and Krishna form large deltas before flowing into the Bay of Bengal. A delta is a triangular area formed when rivers deposit sand and silt. Floodwaters bring silt rich in humus, enriching delta soils annually. Example: Krishna Delta near Penmaluru village in Andhra Pradesh. Penmaluru village. Location and geography. Located near Krishna River and Bandar Canal, Penmaluru lies between Vijayawada and Vuyuru. The terrain is plain, with small canals and water channels lined with trees. Soils. Fertile alluvial black soils, Ondru Bhumi, dominate the area. These soils are clayey, hold water well, and are nutrient-rich. Sandy soils, Isukubhumi, are found near the river, suitable for orchards. Rainfall and irrigation. Heavy rainfall occurs from June to October, southwest monsoon. Minimal rainfall from November to May makes irrigation necessary. Irrigation sources. Canals for low-lying lands near the canal. Borewells for uplands. Groundwater is easily available at a shallow depth, 15 to 25 feet. Floods and cyclones. Krishna district is prone to floods during heavy rains and cyclones. Flooding is both destructive and productive. Penmaluru remains safe due to its elevated location. Agriculture. Crops. 1. Paddy. Main crop, grown in low-lying lands. 2. Crops. Monsoon crop, Salwa, June to October. Winter crop, Dalwa, December to March. 2. Sugarcane. Grown as a cash crop and harvested in February-March. 3. Vegetables. Brinjal, lady's finger, ridge gourd, cabbage are cultivated. 4. Other crops. Turmeric, yam, banana in uplands. Leguminous green manure crops, Pillimesra, for soil fertility. Orchards. Sandy soils near the river are suitable for fruit-bearing trees like guava, sapota, and papaya. Changing agricultural practices. Shift from food grains, millets, pulses, to cash crops, sugarcane, vegetables, turmeric, due to improved irrigation and loans for fertilizers. Land ownership and tenancy. Out of 750 families, 10 families own large farms, 10 plus acres. 150 families own small farms, below 5 acres. Others lease land or work as farm laborers. Village infrastructure. Houses, main village inhabited by landlords, others live in hamlets. Facilities, shops, banks, medical centers, salons, tiffin centers. Transport, well-developed roads for easy market access. Occupations. Animal rearing. Limited grazing land, only a few bullocks, cows, buffaloes, and sheep are reared. Basket weaving and fishing. Basket weavers and fishermen live near Bandar Canal. They make baskets, catch fish, and sell them in nearby villages. Poultry farming. Fully mechanized poultry farms are a common agro-industry in the village. Market and transportation. Farmers sell sugarcane to nearby sugar factories in Vuyuru. Vegetables and bananas are sold at Raitu Bazaars in Vuyuru and Vijayawada. Paddy is sold directly through brokers. Thanks for watching.